40,000 games. 40,000. That's what the Steam user has reached. And we always joke about how we have this backlog on Steam. We buy all these games and we never finish them. We never play them. It's a long running meme from PC gamers out there. But this is worth $640,000. This is kind of crazy. He's the first individual on the platform to own an unbelievable 40,000 games. He's got the Game Collector 40,000 plus badge earned on September 23rd, 2025. His name is Sonics or Sonic's Legend, according to the Steam profile URL. He's in China, and he's been on Steam for 15 years. And in that time, he has amassed a collection of 40,028 games. Not just 40,000 on the dart. It's 40,028. That's equivalent of about 2,668 games a year. That's insane. That's just insane. Passing the 40K mark this week also means that Sonics is the sole holder of the Game Collector 40,000 plus badge. However, it might not be too long before others also achieve the accolade. According to the Steam Game Collection leaderboard topped by Sonics, second place Ian Brandon Anderson has 39,500 titles in his library. Oh my gosh. The total price is $649,951. And the actual count value, which is based on the lowest prices, is $248,755. My goodness. His account level of 303 is obviously a lot higher than most users, but it's one of the lowest and one of the lowest on the most owned games leaderboard. A user called Stasix is still number one in that category. He has a Steam level of 6,020. That's crazy. So this guy doesn't care about the Steam level, obviously. That I actually don't either. The whole Steam leveling thing was whoosh over my head the whole time. But chat, this is actually nuts. This is actually nuts. We joke about it. We talk about it all the time. We make fun of ourselves. Oh no, Steam sale. Time to buy some more games that I'm not going to play. Time to buy some more games I'm not going to finish. I would love to see what percentage of this game this guy has actually played. It's probably on his Steam DB profile. I got to say, it's probably on there. I can go look it up later. What percentage of this 40,000 game library has this guy played, let alone finished? This is the ultimate backlog. The ultimate backlog on Steam. 40,000 games. Check this out. This is over on TechSpot. They got the details about this Steam user just dominating the leaderboard. Then another guy's right behind him though. 39,500 games. This is absolutely nuts. Check it out.